Oh my God, guys, look at that. Good morning, guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode from Salvage Nation. As you can see behind me, we're back on my 2015 Vauxhall Corsa and it's looking nice. The sun is in my face, but it's freezing. Anyway, we're gonna get this car in the garage. There's a lot of work to do. So if you wanna see how we get on, stay tuned. Let's check it out. Now, if you remember in the last episode, which was episode 2, we stripped down the front end. I replaced the front slam panel. I replaced all the rad packs. And as you can hear, the engine is purring, it's running, it's driving. The car is a lovely little car, man. I stuck the old bumper back on the car just so it doesn't look too messy parked up outside the garage. But we've got a brand new bumper inside, so I need to transfer as much of this stuff, salvage as many of the grills and the fog lights and whatever I can salvage from this bumper, stick it onto the new one. We're going to be spraying, and then on the interior, as you can see, the airbags went off, so I need to replace the complete dash, driver side airbag, the seat belts. They seem to be okay so far, but I'm going to be sticking it on the diagnostic, and then we're going to be seeing everything else that we need to change to make everything perfect on the interior as well. The rest of the car is in pretty good condition, like I always said. We're going to just take it to the car wash, get it all cleaned up, and then this car is going to be getting up for sale. Remember, it's a 2015 Vauxhall Corsa E category in. It's got one key with me, but I'm in contact with the previous owner, so I might be able to get the spare key. It's got full service history and it's got 26 on the clock. I'm going to be giving you guys first dibs on this car, so if any of you guys are interested in purchasing this car, drop me a message on Instagram at salvage_nation. I'll give it about a week taking offers from you guys before I stick it up on Auto Trader and get it gone, because everything that we get from this is going to go back into the channel. Remember, I'm going to be taking a donation from the proceeds on this car and donating it to the charity of the late mom of the subscriber who used to own this car. So just remember that. Anyway, let's get the car inside and get to work. Alright, you guys, so we've got the car in the garage. If you look right here, this is the original bumper. As you just saw, it was on the car. I've got a replacement bumper here. I just need to strip as much as I can, salvage as much as I can. Stuff like this, little bit of rubber on the bottom, obviously the number plate, the fog lights are good, fog light covers. The grille is no good, I've got a new one coming in, but we're just gonna rip everything off of this bumper and get it ready for this bumper. I need to heat up these little canards at the bottom because this is the limited edition one. It's gonna have this little body kit, so I need to get those off, get them onto this replacement bumper. Once that's done, I'm going to be sorting out everything on the front end and just trying to buckle down this front end and get it to look as nice as possible. So let's get into that. Alright, guys, so with everything off the old bumper stripped down, as you saw just now, I went and got the bonnet off the car. We've just given that a nice little scuff. Have a look at that. We've given it a little scuff, getting that ready for paint. This is the bumper that we got from our suppliers, SVA panels. This comes pre-primed, so once again, just had to give it a nice little scuff, and this is ready for paint as well. Akil is doing another job over there, but in a minute he's gonna get the paint ready. We're gonna lay some paint on this, lay some paint on that, and then we'll leave it to dry and see how we're doing for time. Once everything's all dry, we'll reassemble this bumper and start to reassemble the car. Alrighty guys, so it's half time in the video, half time in the build, half time with everything that we've got to do in this episode. Have a look behind me. If you look right there, the front bonnet has got about 3 layers of paint. It's quite cold today, so it's taking a bit longer to dry. We're gonna leave that to fully dry. And if you look behind me here, the bumper is doing the same. So whilst that is dried, I've just got a notification that outside there's a delivery for me, so let's go check it out. All right guys, so have a look at the box behind me. That's my airbag kit for my Corsa E. Everything's coming together like clockwork. The panels are inside curing. Let's get this inside, unbox it, and I'll show you what I've got. Yeah, that's it. Airbag for the Corsa. Seat belts. Happy days. All right guys, now we've got that all sorted. We're gonna get this into the car, but first, let's go check out Akil spraying the front bits on the car. Oh my God, guys, look at that. Look at the finish on that paint job. Akil has knocked it out the park again. The bumper is done, like I said, that came in primer, so that was just a quick spray job. We've done the inner panels on the bonnet. We've left the middle section because that's gonna be covered with the soundproofing material, but have a look at that finish. It's a really nice finish. Plus, afterwards, we're gonna be flattening, buffing, and polishing that bonnet and the bumper as well. And as you've just seen, the delivery for my airbag kit has just arrived as well, so we've got everything. It's just a matter of putting it back together, and unfortunately, we are out of time for today. I've got a million things that I need to crack on with. We've given this job about half the day, and there's a few other bits that we want to do, so we're gonna end this episode here. If you want to see the final assembly, I'm going to drop another episode for that in a few days. So if you want to follow that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And this is where we're going to head off. I hope you've enjoyed it. And if you have, press the like button. And if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, press the subscribe button. And this is where we're going to head off. So like I always say, guys, keep it moving. And I'll see you in the next one. Guys, thank you for watching the video. Click here to see what YouTube thinks you should watch. Or click here to check out this playlist on one of my previous builds. And I'll catch you in the next one. We out.